Hello, my name is Yuri, welcome to my channel. And today I'm at Mount Dennis subway station and I'm planning to take Eglinton Crosstown LRT to Kennedy Station and measure how much time it will take me to get to Kennedy Station. We will also measure how much time it will take me to get to Cedarvale subway station or Eglinton West and Young Eglinton subway stations, just to get an idea how much time it will take a regular commuter to get to one of three most popular destinations on the Eglinton LRT. Please note, this Eglinton Crosstown LRT opened just exactly 1 week ago. So if you're watching this from the future, hello, people from the future, please note it can be much better or much worse than it's today on February 15th, 2026. I'm waiting for a train right now. Let's talk about how general public reacted on Crosstown LRT when it opened. Long story short, people loved it. It's making a huge difference in the city as of now. So some people say their commute is now twice shorter than it was. There are, of course, problems. It cannot be opening without any problems. So the main problem right now is signaling system. So on the stations, on the parts of LRT that is above ground, it's a little bit slow. So not as slow as line 6, but still, it's slower than line 1. But underground stations, not an issue. So it's as fast as it can be. Right now, the maximum speed it can reach is 60 kilometers per hour. They say it can be 80 kilometers. 60 for now is very good. Also, one of the problems you see behind me, it's only 2 train cars. And they plan to add one more. Hopefully it will happen soon because people complain about it's been very busy on this Crosstown LRT, which is good. It's not a bad thing that is busy. It's busy. It means that people really needed it because it makes a difference. It's better than a bus. Sorry, I love Toronto buses. TTC buses are very good, but train is train. And even LRT, if it's light rail train transport or whatever, it's still better than a bus, more comfortable. So yeah, for now, people are happy to have it. It's 1:23 p.m. and I started my stopwatch. Let's see how much time it will take me to get from Mount Dennis subway station to Kennedy Station. It took me 1 minute and 40 seconds to get to Killsdale. I'm not going to measure every station, but just was interested how much it will take me to get to the first station. Fairbank Station on Dufferin Street took me 6 minutes from Mount Dennis. We're at Cedarvale Station. It took me exactly 9 minutes to get here, which is good, which is very good. And after 17 minutes, we have arrived to Eglinton subway station, which is good. I thought it's gonna be around 15, but we didn't have any additional stops or we haven't waited for doors to close, anything. So 17 minutes, it's still very good. Very, very, very good. We're at Aga Khan Museum Station. 32 minutes took us to get here from Mount Dennis subway station, and this is where the most interesting part of the video begins, because this is the above ground portion of line 5. Let's see how much time it will take us to get to Kennedy Station, because we will be interrupted by the traffic lights, traffic. 45 minutes, 46 minutes into the ride, and we're almost at Golden Mile Station. So if you decide to go shopping from Mount Dennis, it will take you almost 3/4 of an hour. So we're much slower at the above ground section, and yeah, this is a problem because cars are turning left in front of us, and we're waiting for the lights to turn green, and yeah, we need a signaling system. And I'm at Kennedy Station. Took me exactly 55 minutes to get here. What can I say about the whole Crosstown LRT? It took me 55 minutes to get from Mount Dennis to Kennedy Station. Above ground section was noticeably slower, but still not bad at all. So it took me 23 minutes to get from Don Valley Station to Kennedy Station. It's how many? 10 stations or 8 stations, so it's like a quarter number of all these stations on this line out of 25. And it was good. The ride was smooth. Today is Sunday, so no crowds in the train, so it was almost empty. Of course, during the rush hours, it would be either slower because of people jumping on the tracks, or it could be faster because they can have more trains running in the rush hour. So overall experience after 1 week, fantastic. It connects really nice areas of the city. Eglinton corridor was maybe one of 5 busiest streets in Toronto, and now it reduces number of cars driving on the street, number of buses. Also, I take line 2 pretty frequently, and line 2 is a little bit less busy now because people don't take trains from Kennedy to, I don't know, Jan Bloor or St. George Station. So they can just take Crosstown now, which is good. Thank you, Metrolinx and TTC. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. I hope that the information on how long it will take to get from one end of the line to another on line 5 Crosstown LRT is useful for you, and I'll see you around. Have a good day. Bye.